Most of us dream about being healthier, more energetic, and maybe even looking a little fitter in the mirror. But here's the truth: nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need fancy diets, expensive supplements, or odds of research. With just a few small changes to your daily routine, you can completely transform your health. So, in this video, I am sharing 10 simple nutrition tips that you can start today for a healthier and more energized life. Let's dive into the tips. Tip number 1. Start your day with water. The first thing your body craves in the morning isn't coffee, it's hydration. Overnight, you lose fluids, and even mild dehydration can affect your mood and focus. So before anything else, drink a glass of water. It wakes up your system and gets your metabolism moving. Tip number 2. Don't skip breakfast. Now, I am not talking about sugary cereal or a greasy meal. A balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats fuels your brain and keeps your energy stable. Think eggs with whole grain toast or oatmeal topped with nuts and fruit. Tip number 3. Choose whole foods over processed foods. If it comes in shiny packaging and has a long list of ingredients even you can't pronounce, it's probably not your friend. Whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are packed with nutrients your body actually knows how to use. Tip number 4. Add more color to your plate. No, I don't mean candy colors. I'm talking about natural rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Each color group brings unique vitamins and antioxidants. The more variety you add, the stronger your immune system becomes. Tip number 5. Control portion sizes. Even healthy foods can be overdone. A simple trick: use smaller plates. Eat slowly and listen to your body. Even often, we eat with our eyes, not our stomachs. Tip number 6. Don't fear healthy fats. For years, fats were blamed for everything, but not all fats are bad. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil actually protect your heart and keep you feeling full longer. Just avoid the fried and heavily processed oils. Tip number 7. Cut down on sugary drinks. One can of soda can load your body with over 8 teaspoons of sugar. That's more than your daily limit in a few sips. Switch to water, herbal teas, or even infused water with lemon and mint. Tip number 8. Snack smart. Instead of grabbing chips or candy when hunger hits, keep healthy snacks on hand, like almonds, yogurt, or fruit. These small swaps add up big time when it comes to energy and weight management. Tip number 9. Plan your meals. Most poor food choices happen when we are hungry and unprepared. A little meal planning goes a long way. Cook extra portion, pack your lunch, and keep your kitchen stocked with essentials. Tip number 10. Last but not least, practice mindful eating. This one might surprise you. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Slow down, chew your food, appreciate the flavors. Mindful eating helps digestion, reduce overeating, and makes meal more enjoyable. So there's you have it. 10 simple nutrition tips you can start right now. Remember, lasting health isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Even adopting just a few of these habits will make a huge difference in your energy, mood, and long-term health. So, which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-based ways to fuel your wellness. Because at the end of the day, your health is your greatest investment.